Hi, my name is Bob Lunt. I'm the Southeast Regional Sales Manager for HC Forklift of America, a division of the Huncha Group. Let's take a look at the 7,000 pound capacity FB35Li. When talking about forklifts, I always like to work to the front of the truck. This is where all the work happens. This truck is equipped with a hang-on side shifter. However, integral side shifters are available from the factory. The carriage is designed with versatility and durability in mind. The carriage can fit a wide variety of attachments, both from the factory or your attachment supplier. The carriage is also designed to take the abuse of the multi-shift operation, meaning that it is extremely durable. As we work back to the mast, you will immediately notice that our masts provide excellent visibility. The mast design allows the operator to easily see through the mast to the tips of the fork. Huncha forklifts are designed with ergonomics and operator comfort in mind. It is safe and easy to enter and exit the forklift. Once in the operator compartment, the operator can adjust the steering wheel and the optional Grammer full suspension seat with fingertip controls to their optimal driving position. This is ideal because at Huncha, we understand that a comfortable operator will be more productive. Above the operator is our controller. This communicates with all the truck's functions using CAN bus technology. This technology gives the operator the ability to quickly change many functions, including lift and lower speeds, how fast the truck can travel, and the regenerative braking effort. The controller also prevents the forklift from rolling on a grade. These pneumatic trucks are built for indoor and outdoor use. The lithium-ion technology has an IPX4 water resistance rating, allowing for operation even in the rain. The truck can be equipped with a multitude of options. This truck is optioned with left and right rear view mirrors and front and rear blue lights, in addition to the Grammer full suspension seat with fingertip controls. If you have any questions about those, feel free to contact us afterwards. Thank you for your time.